Okay, mini lesson on specific heat. The big thing about specific heat is trying to remember this information right here, that Q is energy, heat in joules. Remember that energy, kinetic energy, and heat are basically the same thing. So I'm adding energy, and C is the specific heat, and what for water, what it is, it's 4.184 joules per gram degree Celsius. Mass in grams. Delta T is the temp change, final temp minus initial temp, and you can always make that a positive number. I think. Perhaps you better just run it the way they say it. Anyway, the way I tackle these is I look at what I have. And again, if you don't have these three pieces, like you're gonna have this formula always because it's on the back of the periodic table. But you may not have this stuff. And you may notice on the performance final, I asked you what this stuff is. A lot of you didn't know. A lot of you said that C was the joules. You just didn't know. So you got to remember this stuff right here. But the way I tackle this is I write down the equation, and I put in what they've given me. So they've given me a 15.75 gram piece of iron. So I know that that's a mass. Oh man, they put this in a reverse order. Usually it's MC delta T. Anyway, doesn't matter. That's 15.75 grams. And I have joules, so I have this 1086.75 joules equals, and its temperature changes from 25 to 175. So 175 minus 25 is 150. So I have my temp change. And what I'm trying to figure out is C. So it looks like I'm going to multiply these two things, divide this thing by the answer. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to draw that there. And then I'm going to go clear, second quit. 15.75 times 150 equals 2362.5. I'm going to put that right there. 5. I'm going to do 1086.75 divided by second answer that I got before. And that's going to give me C equals 0.46 joules per gram degree centigrade. And that's how you solve those. You're just going to do the same thing all the way down. You're going to see what you have. You're going to fit it into the formula. It's just good practice. It'll help you remember. All right, guys. Good luck.